Hey guys, welcome down to Teralume HQ. Here we're going to show you through a 2022 Next Gen range of sport that we have completed today for our customer. So we have a 1780 tray that we fitted. We've got a 1700 Canopy, all XGO. We have fitted our 300 amp hour power hub. We've got 85 litre Bushman's fridge here. We've got our 280 wide pantry that we've installed. We've got our 500 wide drawers with our pull-out table. We've installed our 100 centimetre strip lights to our doors on both sides, left and right. We've installed our X1s on our cargo. As you can tell that we use our power hub to switch as well. So standard features of our tray with 35 litre water tank and our headboard. We've got your filler on the passenger side and your tap on the driver's side as well. So we've also done a full relocation of our sensors here on the Next Gen Sport. We've done blind spot monitors, parking sensors and your rear camera as well. So it's something we do at HQ, all of our vehicles with our Fords, Isuzus, anything that you have that has blind spot monitors, parking sensors, we do relocate them. We've got your toolboxes on the sides. They come around the back here. We have installed our jerry can holder, wheel holder. We've got our trundle. So for our customer today, we have installed a twin ARB air compressor, and we've got our Apex hose reel installed to our 810 suspended shelf. We've got our X1s on at the driver's side here as well too. So we normally install 4 of them. So you've got 2 on the rear, 2 at the front, and 1 in the middle is the amber, which is your for more of an ambient light too.